morning, September 16th, 2020. Still 2020. Yeah. Listen, I apologize. The morning show's a little late today. I have had a bit of a rough morning. Not going to talk about it, but I'm over it. I'm good. I'm good. We're going to move forward in a state of positivity. Yes. Anyway, see this hat? Look. You're going to see the unboxing of this. This was friend mail. Oh my God. Thank you, Linda. And everything else she sent me. Holy moly. Wait till you guys see it. So that's coming. Today, I am going to be working on Treasure Studios art. This is called Change, obviously, because it's a butterfly. And we know that butterflies evolve. Anyway, gorgeous. And that's what I'm going to work on this morning. Crystals, I ordered it in crystals. You can actually order this in square, round, or crystals. It really doesn't matter. So I need the light pad. There is a link in the description down below to Treasure Studios Arts. And if you follow that link and use the discount code Rebecca15, you will save 15% off of an order of $40 or more. And it's not hard to spend $40 on Treasure Studios Art, but totally worth it. Yeah. So it is hump day. Oh my goodness. I actually, in order to sort of move past the drama that was this morning, I went ahead and I went to work instead of recording the morning show, just so I could work through it, process it, and look, here it comes. Every time. That was the sheriff that time. Oh, that's serious. He was driving a Mustang. What the heck? Wow. Okay. So this morning, look, coffee, because adulting is hard. Such an appropriate t-shirt for this morning. But I do need to give a shout out to my girl, Diamond Queen 2020. She did her first lives yesterday and did a bang up job. Great job. Check out her channel. She has just started, and bless her heart, she had a decent size audience, and she was very engaging with the people in the chat, and I thought that was really good. I think she did a really bang up job. So congrats, Diamond Queen 2020. So let me find out what drill we need to lay down here. There's a stray one right there. Huh. Tootsie came in the room. What the heck? Hi, Toots. Hi, Tootsie. Hi. We'll say hi. Yeah, it was her birthday yesterday. She don't care. She don't care. So I didn't get no cake. Oh, that feels good, huh, Mommy? Okay, go. Go. All right. I need 600, which is 600. Do I have 600? Hold on. Hold on. Okay. It's still in the bag. I don't know why it's still in the bag. I must have a container for it somewhere, but... Oh, I do. Okay, but we'll just pour it out of the bag. Because this is like the most color in this painting, this red here. Let me show you. Hold on. I will show you. There you go. Yeah, that's a lot. There's a lot of that color here. So this afternoon, in Craft With Me Wednesday at 6 Central, I'm going to be working on some crochet. Yes, I am so in love with crochet right now. So Like, I love the yarn. I love just the process of doing the crochet. I told you yesterday or the day before I frogged everything out of that one hat and I started over. And I think I'm up to row 9. That's what I'm going to work on this afternoon. But after I frogged it and did it over, the counts were perfect. So I don't know where I went wrong before, but anyway, I did. So I fixed it. Whatever it was, I fixed it. Um, and I am still using the micro dot that I put in here yesterday. Still in there, still working pretty good. I didn't do much diamond painting last night. I let me think. Well, I did do some diamond painting on the butterfly. I did. So yeah, I did some diamond painting. I try to mix it up because I have so many projects, and I prefer to not start anymore. So today is National Guacamole Day. So I don't know how many of you out there I guess a lot of people like guacamole. I am not one of them. Not a fan of the green stuff. So apparently you mash it up, you put some lime and tomato and some spices, and I'm probably totally discounting the way it's really made, but anyway, enjoy. I mean, you can eat it by itself, you can eat it on foods, and they say it's a superfood full of nutrients and wonderful, but it tastes terrible. That's my opinion. But I'm glad you guys enjoy it. So, yeah, National Guacamole Day. I will not be celebrating that, okay? I'm going to pass on the guacamole. But today is also National Mayflower Day. So on this day in history, because they kind of go together, the Mayflower set out with the permission from the British government to go to the New World, so to speak. Let me pull it up. It was in 1620. They departed England on September 16th, and there were 102 passengers. And probably about 30 or so of those passengers were going to the New World because they did not. They were going to establish a religious colony because they wanted to separate from the Church of England. They just didn't believe in the Church of England. So what they did, and it was super smart, was they got a group of investors, about 70 investors. And they said, come with us and you can share in all of our profits. So on that ship were all of these religious people going to, the New World to establish their own community and worship the way they wanted to. And then all of these investors. So how cool is that? It took them 66 days can you imagine? This hat is it doesn't really fit because I've got my hair in a bun, but I just love it. Oh, hold on. Let me pull it down here. Whoa, there we go. I'm probably totally wearing it wrong. Sorry, Linda. But I love it. Anyway, back to 66 days to get to the New World. And they faced all these, storms and, oh God, no, thank you. So they were totally blown off course and they landed in Cape Cod. They were headed for Virginia, but landed in Cape Cod. And they had a couple of, they sent out some people led by Miles Standish to, scout the area and, come back to them and let them know where, was there a good place around there to settle. So they come back oh, sometime in November. No, they landed in November. Sometime in mid-December, they get back and then they say, "Yes, we found a place," and they establish their hold there. They actually made friends with all the Indians, and these were the people that eventually we know as pilgrims. They weren't known as pilgrims at the time, but now we know them as pilgrims. They invited the Indians for a huge celebration, but that wasn't until December. It wasn't like the Thanksgiving that we celebrate in November. But anyway, that's the story of the Mayflower. So it's Mayflower Day. So I said hashtag Mayflower. Oh no, I said hashtag guacamole. Hashtag guacamole. Either one, it's okay. But I have a story. Oh my God. My ex husband, he was all about boats. He wanted a boat so bad. And so we buy this boat, an ocean boat. It was fairly large, and you could go underneath. It had a cabin underneath, and you could go down there and I don't know, socialize with your company and stuff. It was kind of neat for a while. We would take the boat out and we would take it out in the ocean for a little while, and then we would, in Fort Lauderdale where we had boat, you could dock at these restaurants, and we would go to the restaurants and eat and then get back in the boat, and we'd invite our friends, and it was pretty cool, except for the cost of this boat. I mean, between the fee to dock the boat, because we found a place near someone's house, they rented us a spot, so we had to pay that. We had to pay the insurance, the gas. And then to get that boat to the ocean from where we had it docked, you had to go through all these little waterways, and it probably took an hour just to get to the ocean. So, so one night we decide we're going to go out with these friends of ours, this couple. And the guys decide, oh, we have dinner, we're having a good time. And the guys decide they want to go fishing out in the ocean. Okay, so we are fishing. Not, well, I say we, I was not fishing. I don't fish. Um, for me, fish is, something you get at the supermarket. Same with beef, I don't, I'm not a cattle rancher. I'm not a fisherman. I just go to the meat market. Anyway, so the girl that was the woman that was with us, she and I are, we're down underneath, in the cabin, and we're talking and chit chatting, um, and we go upstairs. We're back and forth. So I could see this storm headed our direction. And I said to my husband, we need to leave. We need to go because there's a storm. Oh, no, no, no. We got plenty of time. Plenty of time. I'm like, no, no, no. It's right there. Well, he was wrong. I was right. So we all go underneath now because now the storm is here and we're still out in the ocean. And oh my God, I prayed and I just said, dear God, if I ever make it to land again, I am never getting on another boat. Never. And I never got back on that boat. Oh, it was horrendous. Horrendous. I mean, after the storm, we went back, we got back safely, but I made him sell the boat. Yes, we sold the boat. I said, no, I can't do this anymore. No, absolutely not. So after that, he got like a bass boat, so he could go bass fishing. Totally different thing. And I wouldn't go with him on that either because when you go bass fishing, you're out in the like the Everglades and there's no place to pee. I mean, I'm not going to hang my ass over the side of one of these bass boats and pee in that water. Not going to happen. Guys just dangle it over and go on with their day, but no. So I never went with him. So, yeah, I'm not a boater. I love Florida. I don't do boating. I don't do skiing. I don't do paddle boarding. I could swim. I could do breaststroke, backstroke. You know, I could swim, but don't ask me to fish or go boating or, yeah, no. I'd rather be in the mountains and go hiking or biking or camping. Yeah. Something different than that. So, yeah, that's my boating story. So, gosh, we got a great lineup tonight. Wednesday nights is always fabulous. You start with me, Craft with Me Wednesday, 6 p.m. Central. We're going to do crochet. After me at 7 is the Crafty Heifer. Now, I am not sure what she is working on. You know, she was working on her conversion, the St. Jude cross stitch to diamond painting conversion. So I don't know if she finished that and she's working on something else. We will have to tune in to find out. Following her is Purple Door Crafts at 8 Central. And that is Sherry Murphy. She goes till about 9:30 Central, and then 10 Central. Tia. I love Tia. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Tia's fabulous. So a whole night of diamond painting lives. Yes. You can sit and you can listen and you can join in on the chat and diamond paint or crochet or whatever it is. Whatever craft you enjoy, you can do. So, what else is going on with you guys? I think this is going to be a short show today, and for that I apologize. Yeah. I'm going to have a great rest of my day. Yeah, I am. Jake was supposed to go to the groomer, and I made some excuses, and I just said, listen, can I bring him in a couple of weeks? Because his hair's not so bad, but I think in a couple of weeks he's going to be ready for the groomer. So I will, everybody's messaging me. Oh my God. I just wanted to go away. Guys. All right. I'm going to put my unboxing up of this great hat. Oh, let me just show it to you. Oh, guys, look. It's fantastic. Hand spun yarn, 100% wool. And do I look like a goat farmer? Yeah. Kind of, sort of, right? I will see you guys in tomorrow's morning show where I will be in a better mood. I promise you. Okay. Take care, everybody. I love you and see you tomorrow.